Right there, before I come, we're back with another one. Welcome to Voice I Have Music, a platform where we react to I Have Music. As long as it's part of his Hayod, we are there. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mama, just a quick message. First, before we dive into a lot of things. Um, Number one, Anki. Oh, there you go. The first thing I really want to say, number one, is I apologize, guys, yesterday for not uploading content. I had a job to attend to, so I left like I left. Yo, I left here like super early in the morning, so that's why I could not upload. The second information is before we continue, guys, especially women, Mandomazan. Uh, I cannot tell you guys what to do, how to behave, and whatnot, because even on your best behavior, there are still people out there, eba, right, mentally. Guys, we live in a very scary place. uh, just a couple of days back, there's a girl, even Mazio, Beskonza Sonkele, Kala Bangwele. She got murdered. Yeah, she got murdered. She got murdered last year in November, and Mzimbabwe, they only found it emotionally on Wednesday. I felt it is important for me to really share this because we live in a in a deadly time. I understand. You know, people can say whatever they want to say, but Tomazana, please, guys, take care of yourself. Not every man out there is is a voucher, and not every man out there is loving and is caring. And some men are bastards, some men are monsters, like apparently, and all. And it's sad. I never thought with Impili near me there would be someone named Maziyo who's going to get killed. So nine bomchita. Phone. There's so many girls out there. There's so many girls out there. Umntana abantu bangafuni njengoba usijaba bekashilo. What is the point ukuthi umntana abantu umbulale umgwaze or umshit, like what's the point of that? You understand? So nanicela bafethu, take care of one another bomchita. If a girl says no, uma kuye mfethu, yeah, sharp, you take a L, you feel disrespected, it's fine. Take the L mfethu. There are other women out there. There are other many girls out there. There is more girls than men. I understand, yeah, maybe you feel a certain way about this one, because the man a phone mfethu ayikho into ozoyenza. So leave her alone. Nani ladies, please don't associate yourself with people and born and yourself ukuthi yayila. I understand. So, and also women, Ntombazana, sometimes when we say no as a woman or parents, or just listen. No one is trying to ruin your fun, but we are trying to protect you because we don't know what's more we try to say that, and I know President would nothing's gonna happen to me. But please, man, no me mali vuma. Ntombazana, please buy weapons, man. Tengana ma taser, tengana ma pepper spray, tengana ma pocket knife. At least I want pocket knife is the cheapest thing. Up and learn how to use that, bro. By self defense, because I feel like I feel like a pandemic of not pandemic. I feel like an epidemic of men getting killed is coming. I'm sorry to say that, but I feel like there's going to be a retaliation of women on men, and it's gonna be horrible. But anyway, take care of yourself, guys. So, namhlanje we're reacting to yini mention ekuphethiweni. I hope I'm saying it right. Ekuphethiweni Church in Zion. Nami ngiyathobela kulelo guys. Never heard of the church before. So since I've spoken for like 5 minutes, let's dive into it. And yes, guys, let's pumen game. What? What? Oh, ngiyathoma. Why? Kind of hey, guys, I don't like this new way of singing, man. This sound wonderful. I mean, it sounds compact. It sounds compact. I'm not a fan. There's a song in Israel. I still believers. I'm gonna react to it, maybe success. And that is my style. Like knowing Shilo. Days Uguti. I mean, I'm old school, but yeah, I don't like this type of singing. But also, even if I don't like it, it does not mean it's not good. It is good. It is good. Believe. Trust and believe. It's a powerful song, eh? Wow. Wow. You see? Those are the type of things that I want. Those are the type of things that I want to hear. I understand. Yes. Like they must flow like water. Yeah. What? And I Alto there, and I Alto got me, man, and they got me good. It's only 8 in the morning. Like, bruh, you know, you know, you know what I wanted to say just went away. Oh yes, you know the time it takes to fall in love with the song. Like it's one thing to get people singing for the sake of singing. It's another thing to hear passion. And when it comes to Zion music, there's so much passion there. Like there is so much passion there. And Nale Pekale, I love them. I love them. I always say I love Ipeka who understands the assignment. Good dog. when you sing, you play around with the song. You don't sing the song as it is. Ingoma always has a different remix every time. This is crazy. On top of that, Eternala it's pretty powerful. I know in most cases, but like Eternal, it's always the lowest singing, but you can hear it actually. Wow. And one thing I've noticed about this new wave versus Zion, this new wave versus Zion is how much the song is reliant on bass cool. Because Manglalela majority of this new wave versus Zion, I realized Juguti bass has more singing than ever. As compared to before. Pela before bass boyizwa, but if there was like bass was not really it is the core, but it was not really the focus of the song. Ngaleyo ndlela leyo. It was always tenor, alto, bacca, soprano, first part, second part, if they are more than that. But le wave le entsha Zion, I want you to listen to it. They will tell you ukuthi the main focus of it, it's the bass. The bass does more singing. Like the bass right now. Oh yeah, I'm going to have a tattoo here. Oh my god. Anyway, the bass has more singing. The bass is doing more singing than before because before, remember, bass, you would sing a song, bass sing any poem, bass sing any poem. Now it's standard, like it's standard. Do you get like do you get what I'm saying? Like bass is now standard. Like, do you hear that? bass is literally driving the song. Like this new wave of singing. You're not whoever came up with it, that was brilliant. I don't like it, but it was brilliant. It was brilliant though. So they are doing what I'm thinking they're doing. So Sub is also separated into two. Because while others are singing, Lababanye, they have to come in because Babati Ela Kuluma, Labasamuva. The other bass goes Ela, which will get at the same time. Ne alto. That's crazy. Wait, 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 wait. This guy. My guy, I saw there's a video of wearing Rekteguyo and then you can sing. Is it the same church? It can't be the same church. I think Bogi something is no my guy. No man. No man. It wasn't this church. But I'll pick it up. I'll pick it up. Oruvakashile. Oh, Becca, how are you? Yo, incane lesonto but they're singing. People be sending messages and saying, nah, fam, nah. Yo, hey, ah, nah, that's awesome, man. Nah, that's awesome. That is. Listen, listen, listen. I know someone's pay that looks like this microphone, but anyway, I should collab. No, that was awesome. No, that was amazing. Are you serious? Like, bruh, Zion will shock you. Is that the song? Hey, Ibo. Like, hallelujah. I think it's stuck at the back of my mind. I'll be singing that whole stuff the entire day. Figale mosque. Hallelujah. Hey, that was among goes. You know, that that is passion. And that's also being different. Yaqala ukuzwa hallelujah bawushaya so. Ah! Hayibo! 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 MaKrestu. Nithini kimi na? I've never heard of that church before. Every time I react to a new church, they always leave me fab like gosh that. I would just chill there and just be like, what? What did I listen to now? Yeah. Anyway, guys, if you do like the content on this channel, I keep telling you, Subscribe. Hit that like button. The more you guys like my videos, the more they can get around, the more they get exposed to other people and other channels, because money YouTube and channel basically. We yes, a comment down below also, and please guys, please give me recommendation. I am struggling ukuthola ingoma zami zayoni. People are like, maningi my son. Yes, because you guys know them. I don't. Ngabe bokuya ngabe lani lalela believers, blessing, living, trust, ikhala abangcwele, Tulani manani Galatia. Pen. No blessings, no religious. Pen. Because those are the churches that I know at the back of my head. There are newer churches. Angwazi. Let me know. Tell me. Be like, hey, Stella, man, hey, Jupiter, this one. Hey, check out this one. Find a religious, right? Like that. I even forgot they existed. I was reminded of it just like 2 weeks ago. So, Buffett, please recommend this thing. Tell me. Ish. Musana ukushana ingoma zaseZion. Anywho, Jehovah being sure. If you do like the content, make sure you subscribe. It does not cost like. It wouldn't take you more than 5 seconds to just hit that like button. Like who gave video, right? And please do give me my recommendation, guys. I would really appreciate it. So, yo, guys, my favorite word of Stitch Jupiter. Adios.